Hello, well, here I have the last version of FABLE, Fire and Box to the Level Editor. The new feature tonight is this image and pre-processing. So, for example, in this case, I have this body, and I want to attach a texture to my body. So, I will pick a texture. I don't have any texture right now, so I will import one with image and pre-processing. I will select this texture that is not optimized and that actually contains a couple of different images. In this case, we have 9 images, but the tool actually takes care of splitting each image and allow me to handle it individually. So here we have all the images split individually. So for example, I can set the body to this body, well, the body image to the body, and now I simply track the shape. And there you have. Well, now I have a body completely edited. Now I will add the other elements. There are still some elements, yeah. So hope this doesn't take a lot of time. Actually, this feature it's pretty awesome because it saves you a lot of time. I start having a problem with a book that I am working on. It's an interactive book for kids, and so these are the images that my my artist is giving to me. But I start having these horrible problems of splitting it manually. So I decided to implement a tool that'll help me with that. Probably the next feature in the program will be a tool that can track the shape of the images, so I can also save time in doing what I'm doing right now, that is tracking by hand the images. Oops. Now this tool actually have another dark side. There's a small part in the settings panel, a new part in the settings panel, that allows you to set or to tell the editor which is the minimum size of an image in order to be valid. Because, for example, sometimes the texture that you get from the artist may have small, tiny pixels or image zones that you don't want to import. The problem is that the program does not know if these tiny images are valid images or are not valid images. So for example, I was importing some clouds, and the clouds happen to have like 3001 pixel images. So instead of the image originally have only 4 clouds, but the program was recognizing like 3000 small images instead of 4. So it was pretty annoying. I will show you these small settings right now. Just let me end with this tracking. Done. So the setting is here, is in document settings, pre-process filter, max pixels. That is the minimum. Well, it's wrong. He should say minimum. Those are the values of the size of the minimum square bounds of the images. So for example, if an image use have boundaries smaller than these parameters, the program automatically will automatically ignore the images. But anyway, now we have all the images of our cat. Let's scale this. And now we will proceed to assemble our cat. So in this case we will add some layers like head, like body, like leg 1, leg 2, leg 3, leg 4, ear, and tail. Okay. And send this to head, leg 1, leg 2, tail, leg 3, leg 4, ear, and body. And order the elements. The body should be behind, one of the legs should be in front and the other behind the body. The head should be in front, this leg is not there. Leg 3. One leg should, yeah, over there. The tail should be here. Okay, now we have this. Let's assemble our cat. So let's add another ear 2, and send it to ear 2. Ear 2 should be in there. View shapes mode. Now let's join everything. There it is. And just for testing, we will set 0 gravity and see what happens. That's it. Okay. We will collide with once, and it will not collide with once. Good. And there we have our small ragdoll, and it was done pretty fast. You can add engines, you can add just engines and forces and make it a small robot with this. By now it's just a rag cat, but it's pretty awesome, eh? And pretty easy. Goodbye. Thank you for watching.